Last time we talked about Do1. Now we go to Do2. Yao Shu. Do2 is located where?
In the sacral hiatus on the
Oh.
posterior midline.
The name Yao Shu most closely translates to
Lumbar shu.
which anatomical structure is palpated to locate Do2?
Sacral hiatus.
Do2 belongs to which extraordinary vessel?
Dumai.
Do2 is primarily indicated for what?
Lumbar and sacral disorders.
Which needling direction is recommended when treating epilepsy?
Obliquely upward.
Upward. Recommended insertion depth.
0.5 to 1 June.
Which action is not traditionally attributed to Do2?
Tonifies lung yin.
Of course, walang kinalaman sila. Do2 is useful for chronic sacral pain due to
Kidney yang deficiency.
which manifestation reflects Do2's ability to extinguish internal wind?
Epilepsy.
Do2 strengthens what?
Lumbar region and legs.
Which nearby point lies approximately 0.5 June lateral to the coccyx?
Bladder 35.
Do2 is located where?
Within the sacral hiatus.
Which condition benefits from Do2 due to warming the lower burner?
Enuresis.
Which traditional action is directly associated with Do2? Sir Joe Bell.
The Spellswind
A
dam.
wind dam. Do2 is commonly paired with Do20 for what?
Convulsions.
Okay, next time pag convulsion, Do20 plus Do2. Which point combination is recommended for chronic low back pain?
Do2 plus bladder 23 plus bladder 40.
Do2 regulates what?
Governor Bessel.
The point lies midway between.
Sacral cornua.
Which symptom reflects Do2's action on the lower jiao?
Difficult urination.
Which neurological disorder is a major indication for Do2?
Epilepsy.
According to classical texts, Do2 benefits what?
Lumbar spine.
A moxibustion at Do2 is useful for
Chronic cold lumbar pain.
which symptom is associated with internal wind?
Convulsions.
Do2 primarily influences what?
Lumbar sacral region.
Evidence suggests electroacupuncture at Do2 influences what?
GABA and serotonin pathways.
Experimental studies showed electroacupuncture at Do2 reduced.
Cortical epileptiform discharges.
So this is so effective for epilepsy, okay? You use EA. Do2 has been investigated in neuromodulation for
Avoiding dysfunction.
which body region is strengthened?
Lumbar spine.
Which pathology is least likely treated with Do2?
Sinusitis.
Do2 is superior to Do1 for?
Hemorrhoids.
Okay, basta use both na lang. Do1 and Do2. Do2 is better. Which lower limb condition is indicated?
Paralysis of lower limbs.
The point warms what?
Lower burner.
Which additional action is emphasized?
Invigorates collaterals.
Do2 is useful for irregular menstruation because?
Regulates chi and blood.
Which tissue is traversed during needling?
Sacropoccygeal ligament.
Do2 is important for?
Interior wind.
Which point is commonly paired for sciatic pain?
GB30.
Yeah, Do2 plus GB30. Which point combination is recommended for epilepsy?
Do2 plus Do20.
So the same for convulsions, no? Do2 plus Do20. Which structure forms the landmark for locating Do2? Again.
Sacral cornua.
One evidence-based mechanism of Do2 involves what?
Increase serotonin activity.
Do2 benefits all except?
Shoulder joint.
Which symptoms suggest using the Do2?
Uh, coccygeal
Coccygeal
pain.
pain. Which pair
Coccygeal
best
pain.
treats chronic lumbar stiffness?
Due to plus bladder 23.
Duto is indicated for
Chronic sacral pain with fold down.
which statement is true?
Due to extinguishes superior wind.
Duto can strengthen what?
Knees.
Which insertion method should be avoided?
Excessively deep insertion.
Which statement best summarizes Duto?
A major local point for lumbar sacral disorders and internal wind.
The strongest clinical theme of Duto?
Lumbar sacral pain with internal wind disorders.
So every time you think of Duto, think of lumbosacral pain, think of epilepsy, convulsions, internal wind. Wow, congratulations. And now we go to